Ngizonixolela Commanders, ngiyamzonda umuntu ukuthi kuyiwa phambili yena ebuyisela abanye abantu emuva. Breakdown ngeke Commander makuwukuthi uyi-MK ngempela ngeke phela. Awukwazi ukudivide abantu eqenjini, awukwazi. Ngisho ngakuthiwa ngabe kwenzakalani, awukwazi ukuhlukanisa umkhonto wesizwe phakathi. Awukwazi ukwenza into i-leadership engakuthumanga yona, awukwazi. Thina i-MK siyayithanda and kunabantu aba-confused ngepolitiki, kunabantu kade bengasavoti abasukume ngoba sekukhona umkhonto wesizwe, kodwa manje bazothi mabebuka lento yakho yenzayo ayipaint isithombe esi-right nge-MK. If uyayithanda ngempela, ngicabanga ukuthi ungenza kangcono kunalokho okwenzayo. Musa ukudicilela isithunzi se-MK phansi, at the same time upretenda ngathi uyasiza somewhere somehow. Ungenzi njalo.
A few moments later.
Yazi nina kodwa nibuhlungu ngento eyodwa, nimuncu ngoba ninamanga, and amangeni ayonenza kufaka abantwana bafe kungenasidingo, futhi nibe nani ngababulali ngalo limi lwenu ukukhuluma kwenamanga. Abantu nina enithi nina mina bayangisebenzisa noma ngisebenzela bona, abangifuni abanye babo, abangifuni noma ngibone nje, abanye nje baba abangifuni nje, kodwa nikubhanqa lapho. Naqala mana athi ukhoma no breakdown, yabona ngifaka breakdown njengamanje ngoba nina naphinda futhi nina nathi ukhoma uthengiwe, nina okhoma usebethengiwe. Ngakhuluma mina nge-leadership, kwayinina ke nithi hayi okhoma nje balwa no SG Freud, balwa naye nje okhoma. Okay, ake sivumeke namhlanje, ke senzele ninake nje lokho nikushoyo ngathi ake sikuvume namhlanje, sike sinenzeleke nje lokho ukuthi ke lokho nina nikubonayo enikholelwa yikho ake sinivumele. Nivumela yithi impela ninesikhululo nini, sinivumela ukuthi yes kunjalo, ake sinivumele. Senginombuzo engifuna ukubuza kunina ke, asengivumile. Senginombuzo engifuna ukubuza kunina. Lapha yane Orlando Stadium besiphethe people's mandate, saphethe yona. Okay, asifwe lapha Orlando Stadium besingenayo ifanele, kodwa sakwazi ukuyigcwalisa Orlando Stadium ngakuma province ahlukahlukene. Engekho imali yokuqasha lapha eMabhida, bekukade isikhona imali. Safeyila ukuthola amabhasi, safeyila ukwenza into eziningi, izinto ebesikwazi ukuzenza imali ingekho, sikwazile ukuzenza, kodwa izinto esifeyilile imali isikhona ziningi kakhulu. Awungitshela izinto ke, izinto ezimbili noma ezintathu ozoma kuzo-ke wena-ke ukuthi u-SG uqhuba kahle njengoba nimncoma nje, hayi u-SG na uqhuba kahle uphusha kahle, ikuphi akwenzeni. Uzothi futhi wena u-SG uvale umpompi wongcotshwa kwemali, imali beyikade yibikwe imali, usho wena ngithi ake sivumelaneke. Uthe mefika u-SG wawuvala lowo mpompi lowo wongcotshwa kwemali njalo ngenyanga, organization kunemali engenayo. Yiphi SG into aseyenzile ngalowo mali? Nama office, inama office. Yiphi ngale mali engenayo nje? Athi nje nina ufika wavala ngithi ukuyibona imali, yes siyakuvumela uvaliwe ukuyibona imali. Sengithi mina kunina ke imali sikhona, ikuphi asekwenzile pho ngayo? Ninayo nama office? Asinama office. Hayi nina futhi nifuna to that majority. Ngandlela u-SGR operator ngayo nifuna yona ngithi kusho nina futhi ngithi why bona engayile lezi ndawo lezi umkhonto wesizwe kodwa khona kusacabuzela. For example, njengase Eastern Cape, why ngayi Eastern Cape nosebenza khona nispende khona ekutheni nifrene nifunayo? Why ningayi khona? Why nithatha abantu nina abangewona umkhonto wesizwe bani yama-position makuthiwa u-SG uqhuba kahle.
Good day, everyone, and welcome to Nizalogy, a political channel that talks about politics. So I want us to talk about something that I see now that it is more trending and happening there in Umkhonto Wesizwe. You see this politics of following individuals. This politics of saying I'm following the ANC because of Fikile Mbalula. I'm following EFF because of Michelle Dlamini. And if anyone comes and attacks Michelle, I'm attacking personally that person because now that person is touching my favorite. There are people who joined the Umkhonto Wesizwe as members because some of them, they are following Obonkosi Khanyile. So there are people who follow political leaders individually and they say that no, if that politician is not there, I'm out. That is what now is making the members of Umkhonto Wesizwe to fight personally. I want to play you this clip. You'll hear now that members, somewhere to an extent, they are losing respect to one another. And you know that when you lose respect to someone, then it becomes a problem because the only outcome for that is fighting. And fighting, it becomes a problem because the only outcome for it is that people die because of politics, because of infightings of politics.
Asinga disrespect ama leaders omkhonto wesizwe bese sithemba buka nje uFloyd nje manje uyakhazimula lo mjita uyabona nje uyacwebezela ngiyambona upresident wakusasa la ufresh lo mjita usamusha and uyabona ukuthi future ikhona umkhonto wesizwe in good standing uyimember he even a leader kumkhonto wesizwe uFloyd lento abantu abakhala ngokuthi bona basebenzela umkhonto wesizwe bakhipha imali zabo ba donate ngeimali ezithile abaye ko life babantu abazovula labo life benzele yonto leyo. So thina la sikhuluma ukuphila kubantu bomkhonto wesizwe nabantu abafisayo ukuzoba ingxenye yomkhonto wesizwe.
Kuna commandela ngifonela we spent like 40 something minutes ngifonela eceleni laseGoli kunomonakalo kuyakhalwa eGoli kuyakhalwa kuma province. We cannot keep quiet kukhalwa if that is the case sazofunani phola kwamkhonto uma i-debate isuppresswa ama concerns abantu esuppresswa njengakwagogo. That's all we are saying. And u-SABC ngeke usibize, u-ETV ngeke usibize, u-ANN7 ngeke usibize. The only radio station, the only medium of communication we have is TikTok. Ezinye inhlangano ezinama chances okubizwa ama media platform ama media houses bayakwazi ukuvoice out ama dissatisfactions abo kuma media houses basho ukuthi inhlangano yami ngikho happy thina this is the only medium we've got. We cannot say by so saying angisho ukuthi let us be disrespectful silwe nobuholi left right. I'm not saying that, but we cannot be izimvu singaquestion uma ngoba inkulumo ithi kunabantu kuyakhalwa Eastern Cape not Eastern Cape eLimpopo kuyakhalwa eGoli kuyakhalwa eKZN kuyakhalwa eBloemfontein.
On a point of order, host, maybe Archie must assist all who are listening because we're 140 and plus now, right? Can you help us to list?
Ukulalela when uyalalela uma ukhuluma my leader. That is out of order.
No, I'm rising on a point of. No, I'm rising on a point of order.
What if you've got issues with what I'm saying?
I'm rising on a point of order. I'm raising
That's
on
what
a
he
point
said.
of order.
Memela
Host,
Allow
I'm
me to
raising on a
finish.
point of order.
angakuvumeli Memela.
Yeah?
Allow me
Hayi
to finish.
angakuvumeli asimiyeke kancane.
Yeah, but I'm raising a point of
Angakuvumeli.
order, not to make a submission.
Memela, please, Memela. You don't own intelligence, my brother. You don't own intelligence. Allow other
I've
people.
never said I'm owning any
Ana,
intelligence.
Chief.
I'm rising on
But
a
allow
point
me
of
to
order.
finish.
Eda amazwi nawe wo. Mana ngisho ngawa eda amazwi. Ngisakhuluma naye uMemela ngithi mina hayi Memela.
Yes.
Ngicela ukuthi simiyeka aphefumule nje kancane bese uyayenza i-point of order futhi noma ngizokuthintela ngizokumisela yena bese uyangena futhi.
Because it is what? The time of the sifting. So now the MK party members are fighting. There's a member that is called, goes by the name of Breakdown. He's been attacked personally. Been attacked. Tembi Sokomo came in and attacked the members of Umkhonto weSizwe. Yes, they have a right to defend themselves, but I'm saying that take notice. We are fighting amongst each other now because of the differences that you have in terms of your leadership. That thing has come on top of you very hard. Now you are fighting each other than talking at each other. There's a difference between to talk with each other or to fight with each other. Now you are not talking. You are over talking each other. You are fighting each other. And I just hope that these wars in the MKP, they don't grow and escalate. Because when they do that, you will find that now people will start to carry guns. And they will start to threaten each other. And they will start killing each other. Like what the ANC councillors are doing there in KZN. What I would say what is happening in the MK party is this thing I call the shaking. The MK party is in this phase of sifting. It is said, the Bible says there are tares and wheats. So you need to sift others and to remain with what you want. This uvuna everything. You harvest everything. But now there's a time now that the food that you want, the original that you want, you will remain with it and you sift everything that was there and that you don't need. So the MK party, when it started, it hit and it attracted a lot of people. If you are there genuinely, you just need sometimes to what? To accept. We understand that a lot of people, they've put in monies there in the political party. Meet with leadership. Talk to the leadership that this is how much you've spent and you need to be compensated your money back if that is the case. Work something. If they don't want to listen to you, they don't want to listen to you. Not in everything or in every investment you must have a gain. It is life. You need to accept and move forward. Or if you feel that now you are not finding closure or happiness in this political party, leave the political party and join another one. Or leave politics if you think this thing is not for you. But the key thing now that will keep you together is respect for one another. Because if you talk bad about another member or you curse at another member, now you're taking it to another level. Then the response will not be what you want. Then you will start making TikToks and now fighting each other over the internet. And other people will not take it as you take it. They will even go to an extent to hire people who will just assassinate you. We don't want to see members of MK party pretty soon. Sebehamba with the bodyguards now are being protected because there's a threat in their lives, because they uxabane nobani, waketshana nobani, wala nobani. Then that will become the end of you personally without Umkhonto weSizwe being affected. Uzolo uqhubekile nje. People joining it, growing la ukhula khona. You understand? So now, remember, it is shifting time. The only people who will remain are the true MKP members. It happened to all the political parties, by the way, the ANC, the EFF, you can name them, Streamline. It happened. It is bound to happen. It is life. But please don't forget that you can subscribe to this channel and you can leave your comment. I'm interested in hearing your comments, and you can press the super thanks button until we meet on the next video. And I'm out.